What's going on, my peoples? Tapping back in with y'all, tapping back in. You already know what time it is, man. Welcome back to the channel. Right now, man, I wanted to just kind of bring y'all along, man. Ain't nothing too major that I'm doing right now, but I wanted to go ahead and tackle some of these pieces that I left kind of like hanging off the SS, man, interior. So with that being said, definitely wanted to get these cleaned and painted. Now I'm also gonna tackle these covers on the T-tops, man. So I got the other one down there. So I want to try to go ahead and get these cleaned up real quick, man. Get them painted again, just to kind of match the rest of the interior. As you can see, these are gray, so we're gonna get those painted, get those burgundy, man, to match the rest of everything else that's in the car. You did. So before we get started, man, on that, you already know what you gotta do for your boy. You gotta like, comment, subscribe, definitely smash the notification bell, that way you can stay alert to all the new drops. You did. Man, so all this stuff, man, you know, I could have been done or what have you, man, but time when you're doing this kind of stuff, especially these DIY projects, you always got to make sure you got that time, you know what I mean? And time be moving and I don't be having it, you did. So but I got it today though, so we're gonna go ahead and knock this out, man. We're gonna go ahead and knock this out. What I did was I went ahead and got me some rubbing alcohol. As you can see, I usually like cleaning this stuff with brake cleaner. Makes it easier. You could just kind of spray it, but rubbing alcohol does pretty good too. And I don't have any brake cleaner. I don't know why I don't have any brake cleaner, because I typically have brake cleaner, but it is what it is, man. So we're gonna just spray some of this, or yeah, spray some of this on this microfiber cloth, which look like it has been through the runners. You did. I use this one for a little bit of everything. But yeah, I need to go and buy some more cloths. So I'm just gonna sprinkle this on here real quick, and I'm gonna go and wipe all of these down. As you can see, it comes clean. And so let me go and get y'all set up. You did. Hold tightly. That would be so dope if I can get these in black. It would be real dope if I can get these in black, man. I'm gonna have to research this, research that, get rid of that chrome. First coat, man, look pretty good. They paint pretty good, man. It's pretty high quality coat and stuff, man. It don't take a whole lot to get coverage on them, so I should be able to wrap these up in about 3 coats, 3 light coats. So we're gonna see what's up. Alright. So second coat. And they practically covered, man. So I'm gonna let that sit. Take them in the house, just kind of look at them, see what they look like, since they were gray. If they turned out pretty good, man, I'm gonna buckle them back in. You did. So stay tuned. Oh yeah, that looks real good. Looks real good, man. Flowing real nice. Let me get this one to lock down real quick. But that looks real good. Looks real good. Alright, man. So tighten up the side of them seats. So I got them back on, man. I gotta start cleaning all this other black stuff. And I did find one couple. So I found one. Got that other side as well. Again, I gotta find that couple. I don't know where it's at. Let me see. It's gonna be in some crazy spot. I already know what time it is. So. We're gonna find it, man. We're finally gonna get everything wiped down, get everything cleaned up, and that's it, man. So, that is it, you did.